This marvelous miracle is told in the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and Luke, showing how faith can heal any number of ills. Jesus and the disciples had come back to Jerusalem, where a large crowd was waiting to hear him speak. And a woman having an issue of blood was among the crowd. The issue of blood had been with her for 12 years, and in that time she had spent all her living upon physicians, but none of them could heal her. Now, this made a problem for her, because under the Jewish law she was forbidden from entering the temple to pray to God. And because of her condition, she was an outcast. It was a common belief that if anyone should touch her, they too would be unclean. And so she was completely alone in her suffering. The woman came behind him and touched the border of his garment, and immediately her issue of blood stanched.
Jesus turned about and asked, "Who touched me?"
There was silence among the crowd.
But then Peter and they that were with him said, Master, the multitude throng thee and press thee, and sayest thou, Who touched me?
But Jesus said, "Somebody hath touched me, for I perceive that virtue is gone out of me."
And when the woman saw that she was not hidden, she came trembling, and falling down before him, she declared unto him before all the people for what cause she had touched him, and how she was healed immediately.
And he said unto her, "Daughter, be of good comfort. Thy faith hath made thee whole. Go in peace."
So, my friends, all of you should be of good comfort, because your faith can make you whole. Praise be to God.